Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Sanaki, Department of Civil Engineering, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. So in today's lecture, it will be the continuation of Unit 4, that is roofs. So the next lectures, those are lecture number 38, 39 will be continuing in this lecture. So the contents here are common types of roofing materials, RCC roof, its advantages and disadvantages, WPC for flat roofs, types of roofing materials, thatch. It is a roofing material made of plant stalks, overlapping layer. Slate. It is a material with high cost with a life expectancy up to 80 to 400 years. Stone slab. These are heavy slabs up to 20 to 50, 25 to 50 mm thick. So in earlier days they used to use stone slab. Ceramic tile, cost is high, life of more than 100 years. Reinforced cement concrete roof. It is made of steel and concrete. It is divided into two types, one-way slab and two-way slab. If Ly by Lx, that is longer span to shorter span, is lesser than 2, then two-way slab is used. If Ly by Lx is greater than 2, then one-way slab is used. Advantages of flat slab. Process of construction is simple. For playing, gardening, sleeping, flat slabs are effective. They can be made fire resistant more easily than sloped. It has good insulation than sloping roof. Flat roofs are more fire resistant. The advantages and disadvantages of floors or slabs. Advantages: construction process of flat roofs simple. It can be used for playing, gardening, etc. Flat roofs can be made as fire resistant. It has good insulation properties. Flat roofs are more stable with resisting wind pressure. Disadvantages of flat roofs are they can form cracks because of temperature fluctuation. This type of roofs are incompatible in heavy snow. It is difficult to find leakage. Initial cost is greater. Flat slabs require more construction time. WPC for flat roofs or slabs. So the waterproofing of flat terraces is a tricky problem in building construction, mainly because the surfaces are flat. These flat surfaces require sumps or collection pits for the water to flow into before entering the vertical drainage pipes. A slope of 1 in 100 or steeper is recommended for terraces. This is thin layer of waterproof material that is continuous and offers no path. The membrane is laid on the top of the structural slab. On top of the membrane, a filler material is laid. The filler material is necessary to give a slope to the finish of the terrace. This slope runs towards the drainage of the outlets. Thank you.